Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video we are going to unbox the Mi soundbar. Let's begin the unboxing. Here we go, 33 inches soundbar. I'll show you some of my experiences with this in the end of the video. Please watch the full video to know more about it. So let's do this. In the box we are getting a soundbar, a power adapter, a SPDIF cable and a user manual and 1 year warranty with it. We are getting a wireless music streaming via Bluetooth, also aux input, SPDIF input and more. It has an impressive sleek matte finished design and it is made up of a strong plastic. The soundbar consists of 8 powerful 20-watt speakers, 2 bass speakers, 4 sound speakers and 2 treble speakers. Due to these 8 speakers we are getting a cinematic sound effects. The Xiaomi has made this product within 5000 only. They are in 2 variant colors, one black and in white. Friends, I have recorded some of the uncopyrighted music clips to do not get any copyright issue.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Thank you friends for watching my video. Your subscription will support me to make more videos. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.